His blessings are for all, sinner and saint alike. He makes no distinctions of caste, creed, or culture. And like his message, his blessing is universal and timeless. His message, today as always, overflows with wisdom and love. Om Sai Ram.
విద్యవల్లను వినయమునను కలుగు పాత్రత వలన ధనము వలన ధర్మంబు దాని వలన ఐహికాముష్మికంబులు నందు నరుడు. బాల వికాస్ యొక్క చిత్తములు ఒక లత వంటివి. ఈ లతను
children's minds are like creepers which will go around the tree. It's only when the elders can make these creepers go around the tree properly that we will have prosperity and that we will have a proper decoration for the country. The Father protects you. The Father thinks of your future, thinks of your welfare. He is always minding your welfare, your growth and your prosperity. Such Father who protects you should also be born in mind, and you should show the necessary affection and regard to the Father. Education is such that it will teach you how you should conduct yourself in the middle of the society of which you are a part. Whatever kind of seed you put into the ground, the tree that sprouts out of it will correspond to the seed that you put in. So also the kind of food that you have taken will determine the nature, the belching when you digest the food. Boys and girls, in your life, you should pay great attention to certain things which you may call the 4 F's. The first F is follow the master.
Face the devil. Fight to the end. In the Nalu finish the game.
The 4 F's, follow the master, face the devil, fight to the end, finish the game. These 4 F's you should establish them as the 4 pillars on which your life will be supported.
Prema mudita manase kago Rama Rama Ram, Rama Rama Ram, Rama Rama Ram, Sri Rama Rama Ram.